So that is pretty annoying. So this is a space saver tyre. Obviously, well, you can tell they're just by doing that the valve has failed. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you. This is a real easy DIY job with a tool that cost me about £6. That came with some valves as well, so I'm going to show you how to replace the valve. Saves you having to take it to the garage. This is a space saver off, I believe it's off a Nissan Note. So yeah, we're going to swap that out and then show you how to fix your tyre. So I've got this kit from Amazon. Yeah, it cost me about £6. Comes with all this stuff, all various tools, valves and caps. This is what you want. I mean, you can see comes with a little, it's slotted out just to get into properly get into a valve. So if you've got one of them, you should be able to replace your valve pretty well, pretty easy. So basically what you do, just wait for it to lock on, and obviously go to your left and then just unscrew, and that's the valve. So it's pretty much had it. It's not sealing. I think it's jammed. It's probably seized more than anything. And we're going to put a new one in. So hopefully this should fit. So this is what it looks like. So that little thing. So we're just going to place that in. That bit goes in first like that. So, and then just get your screwdriver and then just put it in. Don't over tighten it because you don't want to wreck it and damage the valve, damage the threads or the valve itself, because then you're going to have to take it into the garage and get it done properly. But hopefully, right, just cover your ears because I'm going to pump it up. So we'll take this off, and there you go, job's a good one. We're now fixed. So I'm going to pump that up to about 50, probably 50, 60, or 60 psi, it says on the side of the tyre, and then that's a good one. So we've got a good tyre there now. Definitely worth having one of these kits. This is what it is. Just go online. I can put a link in the description if need be. And that's pretty much all you've got to do. So now we've got a good tyre, good valve, and we can get this back in the boot of the car. So hopefully this helps you. Give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe. Thanks for watching.